Talk about anyone's bucket list, and it won't be surprising to find this among the entries. View Aurora Borealis in person. Many might not be familiar with the term, but mention northern lights, and it would immediately click. It's literally a light show that only Mother Nature can produce. We may have seen what this is in movies or news clips, and we surely were amazed by such a natural show. It is such a spectacular phenomenon that several movies have incorporated it into their story, often as a plot device. The planet actually has a pair of these light shows. Aurora Borealis is just one, and, as its common name implies, it happens at the north point of the Earth. The other one, called Aurora Australis, occurs at the southern point, and is not as popular due to the fact that, besides Tasmania and New Zealand, there are no more places where it can be seen unless you go directly to Antarctica. So what exactly is an aurora, and why does it occur? We have the answers. But first, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. It will inspire us to create more fun and informative videos just for you. Auroras, simply put, are natural light displays best seen on dark nights. They usually appear in shimmering colors of red, yellow, green, orange, and blue in the night sky. If you happen to be near either the Arctic or Antarctic circles, you should be able to see an aurora almost every night. Otherwise, the best time of the year to see them, when you are at other places, is from late August to early April. Those places are Iceland, Fairbanks in Alaska, Yellowknife in Canada, Tromsø in Norway, northern Sweden and Finland, and Greenland. Auroras happen because of the Earth's magnetic field, the planet's natural protection against the sun. The sun is made up of extremely hot gases that are composed of electrically charged particles known as ions. These ions continuously escape the sun's surface, and we know them as solar wind. The solar wind bombards everything within its path, and that includes Earth and the rest of the planets that make up the solar system. Because we are nearer the sun, the solar wind would have been devastating as it will blow our atmosphere away, killing everyone. Fortunately, we have the magnetic field, or magnetosphere, which deflects the solar wind. Some of the ions, however, are briefly trapped in certain spots around the planet, in the part of the atmosphere known as the ionosphere. These spots are usually found around the geomagnetic poles of the Earth. While trapped in the ionosphere, the ions from the solar wind crash into oxygen and nitrogen atoms that make up the planet's atmosphere. This creates an energy that manifests itself as a colorful, glowing halo, or an aurora. The phenomenon usually takes place around 1,000 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. Scientists have established that solar wind strength is fairly constant, unless there is a change in solar weather, which is the heating and cooling of the different parts of the sun. When auroras are most active, it is because the solar wind is at its strongest, an event known as a magnetic storm. This normally happens during an equinox, when the center of the visible sun is directly above the equator. So that's why auroras occur. How come they show different colors? It depends on the atoms involved and the altitude where the auroras occur. Auroras show red when ions and oxygen atoms collide high up in the atmosphere. This happens rarely. What is most familiar to us is the green-yellow hue that is caused by ions crashing into oxygen atoms at lower altitudes. Ions hitting nitrogen atoms produce reddish and bluish colors, while ions and helium atoms will cause auroras in purple and blue hues. Did you find this episode of Auroras? So that's why very informative. Please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.